Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use a Ledger Nano X updated. Power on the device, choose a PIN, and open Ledger Live to pair the hardware wallet. Follow on-screen prompts to install apps for each cryptocurrency you plan to use. Confirm addresses on the device before sending funds, and always keep your recovery phrase offline in a safe place to protect access to your crypto. To receive crypto, unlock your Ledger Nano X and open the correct coin app, then generate a receive address in Ledger Live. Double-check that the address shown in the app exactly matches the address on your device screen, because the hardware confirms addresses for safety. Share the address or scan the QR code only after verification, and send a small test amount first to confirm everything is working smoothly and securely. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like for more straightforward crypto guides. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated anywhere with the Oala water bottle, a handy companion during long setup or troubleshooting sessions and easy to carry in your bag. It's practical, looks sharp, and saves you from interruptions when you're focused on security steps. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. When sending funds, build the transaction in Ledger Live and carefully review fee estimates and destination details before confirming. Your Ledger Nano X will display the exact address and amount. Never approve a transaction unless it matches what you entered. Consider enabling a passphrase for extra security only if you can manage it properly, and keep that passphrase completely separate from your 24-word recovery phrase to avoid single points of failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.